See those little things on top of the motor? This is one of adapter. I'm gonna call it adapter extender switch lever, adapter extender lever. Now I did this on purpose. I wanted to make this cab look like the way it is. If you try to use your normal um, motor the way it is, see over there, the lever is hiding on the inside the cab. So you can do this one way. You make it shorter cab, and then the model will look really horrible. So it will not even resemble um, Derek. So I decided just to come up with a quick and easy, very simple design just to make this adapter lever extender. How should I name it? Lever extender adapter. I think. Well, this is a different. That's for a different shade. That's a different shade. I don't know if you remember. This is the engineering um, hyper tow resin, and this one is kind of it. That's ABS like. So this is kind of this is different. It is PVC like resin. I mean, yeah, print. Anyways, so on my listing, I included three levers, extender lever switches, because I know you're gonna lose that part. I mean, it's tight, but not so tight, so we don't have problem to. It can be either glue it to the lever, and you don't have that problem anymore. So let's go to the test. So here we have the lever. Wheels are engaged. Now they are free. Cool. The design it's working as it should. Perfect. Now engage. But the main idea for this video, remember, it's to showcase this little lever extender adapter. Let me know what do you think. What's your opinion about this design? Should I name it that way? Lever extender adapter or adapter extender lever? Let me know in the comments anyways. So anyways, we have the model working fantastic, and this gives me an idea. Probably you remember the model. Um, yeah, that model right there could differ. So I designed this way so we can reach the lever, but in this case we no longer need to have this giant hole on top on the cab. So then we just gonna end up with the normal slot for the lever, and we should be okay. That's the idea on this extender lever adapter. I don't know how to name it. Let me know in the comments. So these three little pieces go with the listing, and it works great. Yeah, this one can also be glued, but there's no need to glue it since the part does not fall off. Yeah, it stays in place. I don't know if all the levers are the same. It was designed for this certain chassis, so I have here Gordon. No needed, but it's not working. It needs to be adjusted. It's kind of little loose, maybe, but it don't need that for it's designed for this diesel 10 anyways, just. And I have here another sample that it works with Emily standard. I don't know, I always forgot it's working for that Emily standard. So anyways, back to the model. Here is how it looks underneath, and it's good. So let me know in the comments, how should we name these things, since it's the first time I am doing these kind of adapters. I don't know if someone did this before or not, but I don't think so. I haven't seen anyone doing it, but yeah, cool.